Hi there, this is Kevin once again, and here I welcome you all to the Troubleshooting with Hackanon's new episode. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about Angular error. So guys, you can see if you are over on this video, I'm sure you are getting pissed off with the error named null injector error. And the main thing is, when this error is coming, I'm gonna show you first of all, then I will go to the error reason and the resolution. So you can see here is a port 3000 which is running my node server, and it is trying to compile the build file of my Angular. That is done with the ngserve prod flag. You can see here I did ng build prod, and here you can see currently this server is also running in a dev mode. And if I'm going to dev mode, you can see the whole site is working like charm. And even you can see over here I've run this site with ng AOT flag. It means if your Angular app is running fine on ngserve -AOT flag, but it is also doing it is also working fine with ng dev build, but the issue is coming with the prod flag every time. And prod flag is very important because you can't deploy a site directly in environment without prod flag, because there will be a lot of complexity issues and the site will not give good response. So the thing is how to get resolve this shitty error. You can see if I check about this error, it is shown null injector error and there is no provider or fee. So, and if you think what is E, you will see for C or F. So there is no meaning of this E, F over here, and my site is working fine in dev mode. So what's the issue? So for finding the issue, what you need to do, you need to do a workaround. And what the workaround is, I'm gonna tell you here, but please do this workaround only for checking if you are getting this error. Otherwise don't do, because it will cause the issue. So what you need to do, cancel your like running app. So now what you need to do, you need to type ng build and then -- prod, and after that you need to add an optimization flag and optimization. I need to make this optimization flag to false. Now once you will do it, and just then do a prod build again, and it will take you can see it shows okay, the directory is not empty. Sometimes this error comes, so let's just remove this directory so it will be better. And the directory is removed. I think we should not get this error again. I'll do cls and I'll do this ng build -- prod and optimization flag to false. And so what this thing will do, this thing will not resolve our error. I know this is it will not do any magic, and our error will get resolved. But what this thing will do, it will let's see the output. So guys, you can see that's when our prod build is successful with the optimization flag equal to false. And let's see. So you can see now what I will do, now I'll just refresh this page again, and I'll do this again so that I can. So let's see, you can see now again, now we are getting the same error again, but you can see now the error is more elaborative. You can see previously we were getting no provider of fee, but now we are getting a null injector error, no provider of fa config. It means I am using some font or some icons. So the issue with that, so what does that mean? So first, the meaning of this error is there is no bug in Angular. So the issue is with some package that you are using. Either the package is too depreciated, either the package is in beta version, or there is some issue with the package. And the issue is with not the package, then the issue might be with the API service file which you haven't injected. But I have injected the API service file, it is working fine. Now here I got to know one thing, that the error that I am getting is from fa icon component. Means I know my whole project I am using the font awesome icons. In my whole project in the dev build, you can see these icons I have used the font awesome only. So let's try. Now you can see, now you can easily check what is the error, and I'll copy this and try to paste it in Google. Let's see. So you can see here I got this link in Stack Overflow, and if I go in the bottom for checking answer, you can see this issue is with the latest version of my package. And if I will download my package, then this version will get resolved. So first let's check whether what is the package I am using. So you can see that's really a bad thing. I'm using the latest package because I didn't check for a specific version. I just did npm install font awesome Angular, and this install the latest package, and that is not a good. So now let's try to install this and see whether our error will get resolved. So I'll just copy this, and here I'll go to the Angular file again. I will do a save flag for saving this package and update it. And meanwhile you can also, like, if you don't want to go with command line, you can change this over here directly in packages and do npm install. So let's come to the point now. So till this package is getting downgraded, I'll tell you. So by this method, doing the optimization flag false, you will get to know that which package or which component is causing the issue, which is one of the important things, because previously you were not even able to get that what is the error. Now the error was there, but you was not able to get like which component, which package is causing the issue. So I'll just show you the so now the whole thing is done. Now let's do a prod build again, and I will do the prod build directly, ng build -prod. So that's bam guys, our prod build is successful, and we have also updated the package. If I go to the package.json, you can see the package is updated to 0.050, and let's try to refresh this site again. So if I refresh it, you can see that's bam guys, I haven't got any error and my whole site is working fine. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys got the point, like what was the error and how it got resolved. So that's it for this video. If you like, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye bye and have a nice day.